Did you know that after the age of 60, as many as 1 in 4 older adults may be living with a condition that quietly robs them of their strength, balance, and independence? Research shows that sarcopenia affects 8 to 36% of adults under 60, and 10 to 27% of those over 60. In fact, among adults around the age of 68, between 2 to 9% already have severe sarcopenia, meaning their muscle loss is advanced enough to significantly limit daily activities. Why is this such a big concern? Because sarcopenia isn't just about weak muscles. It's a health time bomb linked to falls, fractures, and loss of mobility. It's also connected to serious chronic diseases like diabetes and high blood pressure. Even more alarming, it's considered a major predictor of early mortality. But here's where the story gets interesting. Recent research is uncovering that what we eat, particularly our intake of vegetables and fruits, may play a much bigger role in protecting muscle than we ever realized. Studies suggest that antioxidants like vitamin C and plant compounds called phytochemicals, found in abundance in vegetables and fruits, may support muscle protein synthesis and help muscles recover after activity. Diets rich in these foods are linked to better muscle function, stronger grip strength, and reduced risk of sarcopenia. That's why researchers have turned to systematic reviews and meta-analyses, studies that combine data from many individual trials, to get a clearer picture. One such analysis focused on antioxidant-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds, using grip strength as a key measure of muscle health. The takeaways so far? While results vary, there's enough compelling evidence to say that adding more vegetables and fruits to your diet could be a simple, powerful way to slow muscle loss, improve recovery, and maintain independence as you age. And the best part, it doesn't require expensive supplements or extreme diets. Just a few smart choices in your kitchen can tip the balance in your favor. In this video, we'll focus on 3 vegetables with especially strong muscle-supporting benefits. You'll learn why they work, the best ways to prepare them, and how often to eat them to keep your muscles strong well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Vegetable number 1. Spinach. When it comes to fighting sarcopenia, one leafy green stands out as a quiet champion: spinach. Yes, the same vegetable you've probably eaten in salads or soups for years might just be one of your most powerful tools for keeping muscles strong after 60. Why spinach? It's not just because it's healthy in a vague sense. It's because spinach is packed with specific nutrients that directly support muscle growth and repair. Let's break it down. First, spinach is loaded with nitrates, naturally occurring compounds that improve blood flow to your muscles. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscle cells, giving them the energy they need to stay active and recover after exercise or even daily activities like climbing stairs. Second, spinach is a rich source of magnesium. This mineral doesn't get enough attention, but it's essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. Without enough magnesium, muscles can cramp, weaken, or tire easily. Third, spinach contains vitamin K, calcium, and iron, nutrients that help keep bones strong and deliver oxygen to muscles. Remember, muscles and bones work as a team. If one weakens, the other suffers. In one study, older women who consumed higher amounts of leafy green vegetables had significantly better leg strength compared to those who ate less. Researchers believe the nitrates and antioxidants in greens like spinach played a key role in maintaining muscle function. But spinach's benefits don't stop at nutrients. This humble green is also packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, that help fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the hidden dangers behind sarcopenia because it accelerates muscle breakdown. By keeping inflammation low, spinach helps preserve your existing muscle mass. Easy ways to add spinach to your diet. The best part? Spinach is incredibly versatile. You can eat it raw, cooked, or blended, and still keep most of its nutritional value. Here are some senior-friendly ideas. Breakfast boost. Add a handful of fresh spinach to your morning omelet or scrambled eggs. Cooking lightly will soften the leaves without destroying their nutrients. Muscle-building smoothie. Blend spinach with banana, Greek yogurt, and a spoon of peanut butter for a creamy, protein-rich drink. Simple sauté. Lightly sauté spinach with olive oil and garlic for a quick side dish. This method actually increases the availability of certain antioxidants. Hearty soups and stews. Toss in spinach during the last few minutes of cooking for extra color, flavor, and nutrients. Spinach may not be flashy or exotic, but for seniors aiming to keep muscles strong, It's a green powerhouse that works quietly but effectively. When eaten regularly, it doesn't just help you maintain muscle, it supports heart health, bone strength, and overall vitality. Up next, we'll talk about a colorful vegetable that not only supports muscle growth but also protects your joints and reduces pain. A perfect combo for staying active and independent after 60. Vegetable number 2. Sweet potatoes. If spinach is your muscles maintenance crew, then sweet potatoes are your power plant, providing the steady, reliable energy your muscles need to function at their best. At first glance, sweet potatoes might not seem like a muscle food. They're a carbohydrate, and we usually think of carbs as something to watch after 60. But here's the truth. Your muscles need healthy carbohydrates, especially if you want to fight sarcopenia. Without enough fuel, your body will start breaking down muscle for energy. That's the opposite of what we want. Sweet potatoes are special because they deliver complex carbohydrates, the kind that digest slowly, keeping your blood sugar steady and giving your muscles a long-lasting supply of energy. That means you can stay active longer, whether you're gardening, walking, or doing light strength exercises. Nutritional power for muscle health. Sweet potatoes are more than just an energy source, they're a nutrient treasure chest for muscle preservation. Beta-carotene, vitamin A, supports cell repair and immune function, helping your body recover faster after activity. Vitamin C, a critical antioxidant that plays a direct role in collagen production. Collagen isn't just for skin, it keeps muscles, tendons, and ligaments strong and flexible. Potassium acts like an electrolyte traffic controller, helping muscles contract smoothly and preventing cramps. Magnesium, just like in spinach, it supports proper muscle function and prevents fatigue. Studies have shown that older adults with higher potassium intake have better muscle mass and lower rates of functional decline. Sweet potatoes happen to be one of the richest natural sources of potassium, without the excess sodium found in many processed foods. How sweet potatoes protect against sarcopenia. Think of your muscles as an engine. Without enough high-quality fuel, the engine sputters and eventually breaks down. Sweet potatoes give your muscles sustained energy for activity, preventing the muscle breakdown that happens when your body runs low on glucose. Antioxidant protection to fight off oxidative stress, the damage caused by unstable molecules that accelerates muscle aging. Electrolyte balance to keep your muscles firing efficiently. Unlike refined carbs, like white bread or pastries, that cause energy spikes and crashes, sweet potatoes provide a steady stream of fuel, so you can move more, do more, and maintain strength. Easy and delicious ways to add sweet potatoes. Oven-roasted wedges. Toss sweet potato slices with olive oil, rosemary, and a pinch of sea salt. Roast until golden. Mashed with a twist. Blend cooked sweet potatoes with a little Greek yogurt for a creamy, protein-rich side dish. Sweet potato soup. Puree roasted sweet potatoes with carrots, onions, and vegetable broth for a comforting, nutrient-rich bowl. Baked and topped. Bake whole sweet potatoes and top with spinach, black beans, and a sprinkle of cheese for a complete muscle-friendly meal. Sweet potatoes are more than just comfort food. They're muscle fuel, joint protectors, and energy boosters all rolled into one delicious package. By including them regularly, you're not only fighting sarcopenia, you're also giving your entire body the nutrition it needs to stay strong and active. Next, we'll explore a vegetable that's often overlooked but can be a game-changer for muscle repair, bone strength, and inflammation control, and it's probably already in your kitchen. Vegetable number 3. Broccoli. If sweet potatoes are your energy source and spinach is your circulation booster, broccoli is your full-body defender, protecting your muscles, bones, and overall vitality as you age. Broccoli is often seen as a side dish, but it deserves center stage in your fight against sarcopenia.
Why?
Because it combines muscle-rebuilding nutrients, bone-strengthening minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds, all in one compact green package. The nutrient lineup. Vitamin C, crucial for collagen production, helping keep muscles, tendons, and ligaments strong. Vitamin K supports bone density, which is essential for stability and preventing falls. Folate helps your body produce and repair cells, including muscle tissue. Calcium, known for bone health, but also plays a vital role in muscle contraction. Sulforaphane, a powerful plant compound found in cruciferous vegetables that helps protect cells from oxidative stress and reduces chronic inflammation. A study on older adults found that higher cruciferous vegetable intake, especially broccoli, was associated with better walking speed and grip strength. Researchers believe the combination of antioxidants and bone-supporting minerals gives broccoli its muscle-preserving power. How broccoli fights sarcopenia. Broccoli works on several levels to help you maintain strength after 60. Muscle repair. The vitamin C and folate help rebuild and restore muscle fibers after activity. Bone support. Strong bones give muscles a solid foundation. Broccoli's calcium and vitamin K help maintain bone density. Inflammation control. Chronic inflammation speeds up muscle loss. Sulforaphane in broccoli helps put out those internal fires, protecting your muscle cells. In simple terms, broccoli is like a bodyguard for your muscles. It defends them from inflammation, gives them the raw materials to rebuild, and keeps your bones strong so you can keep moving. Easy ways to enjoy broccoli. Broccoli is versatile, and with the right preparation, it can be absolutely delicious. Steamed with olive oil and lemon. Steaming preserves most nutrients. Add a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon for flavor. Roasted with garlic. Toss broccoli florets in olive oil, sprinkle with chopped garlic, and roast until edges are golden. Broccoli soup. Blend steamed broccoli with vegetable broth, onions, and a touch of cream for a warm, soothing dish. Stir-fry with protein. Combine broccoli with chicken, tofu, or shrimp for a quick, muscle-friendly meal. Broccoli may not shout for attention, but it's one of the most complete vegetables for seniors looking to maintain muscle and independence. Its unique nutrient mix supports both the hardware and the software of your body's movement system. Now that we've covered all three muscle-protecting vegetables, spinach, sweet potatoes, and broccoli, let's put it all together and talk about how you can make them a consistent part of your weekly meals to keep sarcopenia far, far away. We've covered a lot today, starting with the hidden threat of sarcopenia, exploring the science behind muscle loss, and discovering three vegetables that can help you fight back: spinach, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. Now the question is, what will you do with this knowledge? The truth is, information only becomes transformation when you take action. And the beauty of this plan is that it's simple, affordable, and completely doable, no matter your age, location, or cooking skills. If this video inspired you, give it a like, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share it with a friend who could use this information. Let's build a community of strong, confident, and active seniors, because the best years of life don't have to be behind us.